In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your microphone not working while screen recording on your Samsung phone. You can simply enable your microphone to add a voiceover to your screen recording videos on your Samsung device in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of privacy. Then tap on this first option of permission manager. On this page, head into the microphone option right here. Make sure to allow your microphone on all apps across your device. This is the section of allowed, and this is the section of apps that don't allow microphone. So the reason as to why your microphone is not working is basically because you didn't allow your device microphone to have access to the apps you want to screen record. Just tap on any app and mark as allow. For your microphone to work when voicing over a screen recording video, just allow your device microphone to have access across all your apps. That's how easy it is to fix your microphone not working on an Android phone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.